Welcome. When you have your chimney inspected and swept by a CSIA certified chimney sweep, you help protect your family from the possibilities of a chimney fire and carbon monoxide intrusion, among other venting-related hazards. CSIA certified chimney sweeps will identify any dangers or health hazards within your fireplace, chimney, or flue, and will make needed recommendations. After sweeping, important information on the proper use and maintenance of your system will be shared in order to keep your family as safe as possible when you enjoy this important feature of your home. CSIA certified chimney sweeps also perform inspections when a home is being prepared to be sold, to document an insurance claim, or simply when the chimney is swept. What can you do to help? Avoid having a fire for at least 24 hours prior to your sweeping appointment. Before your appointment, move any furniture or breakables away from the immediate area. Your sweep will need 6 to 8 feet of clearance around his or her workspace. It is best if pets are locked in a safe room away from the noise of the vacuum. Are you wondering about the possibility of a mess? When your chimney is swept by a CSIA certified chimney sweep, you can expect that any dust, soot, or other particles that may present a health hazard are carefully contained. Dust is captured with a specialized vacuum. During the preliminary inspection, the readily accessible portions of your chimney's interior and exterior will be evaluated. Preliminary inspections do not include roof work or the inspection of areas that require special tools for access. Assuming there are no indications of hazards, preparations for sweeping your chimney will begin. The area surrounding your venting system will be covered with heavy-duty drop cloths. Cleaning tools and a specialized vacuum will be set up, and your technician may put on coveralls, gloves, and a respirator to protect him or herself from harmful byproducts from inside the chimney. In a standard masonry fireplace, the damper plate will be removed or opened for better access to the smoke chamber. Factory-built fireplaces do not contain a smoke shelf. The damper is at the top of the firebox and the damper plate is not removable. Factory-built models will also be inspected for cracks in the back, side, and floor refractory panels. Chimneys will be swept with special brushes to remove deposits found on the liner and in the smoke chamber. This brush may attach to a series of flexible rods allowing access up the chimney. After the brush is removed, the liner is checked for cracks, gaps, and missing joints using a spotlight or camera. The smoke chamber, the area above the damper, will be scrubbed with hand tools. The smoke shelf and damper will also be swept with hand tools. Next, the firebox will be swept. Your fire grate will be removed and brushed. Any ash within the firebox will be carefully cleared by shovel and hand brush. Inspecting and sweeping your chimney go hand in hand. Once the system is free of debris, your CSIA certified chimney sweep will be able to check the installation for possible fire safety hazards, and a Level 1 inspection will be performed. After completing the final hand brushing and vacuuming, your certified technician will take time to talk with you about any problems or potential hazards that may exist within your heating system. Your technician will also provide a written evaluation of the work performed and the inspection findings. Whatever the construction materials, an annual chimney inspection and sweeping will assist in keeping your family safer while you enjoy the comfort and beauty of this traditional gathering place.